I'm Tessa and I'll be demonstrating.
I'm Rachel and I'll be instructing.
I'm Courtney and I'll be recording.
The muscle group today we will be exercising is the quadriceps. For our free weight exercise, we'll be doing standing lunges using dumbbells. Our machine exercise, we will be doing leg extension. And for our non-traditional mode, we will be doing squats with a change in horizontal distance using a medicine ball. For our free weight exercise, we will be doing standing lunges using dumbbells. So we're going to pick an appropriate weight for Tessa according to her strength. She's going to pick them up and hold them at her sides. From there, she'll slowly put all of her weight on one leg, step forward onto the other, making 90-degree angles in both her knees. So now we're going to pick up the weights. For spotting this, you can stand behind the athlete with your hands on their hips to make sure they're in a stable position. Now she's going to slowly step forward, making sure her knee does not go over her ankle or her toes. Very good. And one more. Very nice. Make sure you communicate with your spotter so they know exactly how many reps they're going to do and how many sets. Modifications for this exercise can include increasing weight for advanced athletes using the 2-for-2 method. For beginners, you want them to try this exercise without weight first so they can get used to the body positions and make sure they have correct alignment. And then you can slowly get to their respective weights. For our machine-based exercise, we will be doing the leg extension. This works the quadriceps. First, before Tessa sits on the machine, we're going to adjust the back. So the back, if she's taller, we would move it back, and if she's shorter, we would move it forward. So that's about the appropriate. Then I'm going to have Tessa sit down. We're going to adjust the weight over here to the appropriate weight for Tessa by pushing in the pin. Come back over here. We're going to make sure that this is on her shins. From here, she's going to hold on. We want to keep the 5 points of body contact, including her upper back against the chair, and both of her buttocks stay on the chair and she doesn't lift up during the exercise. Then on the count of 3, she's going to begin lifting. Make sure to squeeze your quadriceps and straighten your legs, but you don't want to extend all the way so that she doesn't hyperextend. Very nice. And make sure you're going slowly up and down so you get the full maximum effect. Machine exercise can help focus on specific musculature rather than a free weight exercise, which would focus more on the stability and the body core. For beginners, you may want to use a lighter weight and have them slowly move through the processes so they know the different positions and how exactly to execute those before adding more weight. A modification for this is for advanced athletes. You can either add more weight for them using the 2-for-2 method, or you can have them use one leg at a time and focus on each unilateral leg. For our non-traditional mode of exercise training, we will be doing a squat using the medicine ball with a change in horizontal distance. So first, Tessa will demonstrate. She'll hold the medicine ball about her chest, and she'll begin by putting all of her weight on one leg and slowly placing it behind. Then she's going to go into a deep lunge, making sure to squeeze both her glutes and her quads, and then step back into the standard position. Then go on to the other leg. A benefit to this exercise is the stability in the core musculature and the change in horizontal distance, so you're working both the frontal plane and the sagittal plane. Limitations to this exercise could be in beginners because they don't have a lot of the core musculature to keep the stability. Also, we can use a kettlebell for this non-traditional mode of exercise, and there's no need really to spot this since we're only using a kettlebell or medicine bell.